Enjoy the show.
Welcome to the Roses Theatre, home to a world of possibilities. Come and take a look. We are a thriving destination for entertainment with live music, drama, and Britain's best comedians.
Of course, you could enjoy a pre-show dinner, including our famous pizzas. There's a friendly welcome, affordable tickets, and comfy seats at our cinema.
Shh, the film's about to start. But the Roses isn't just a great night out. We host a range of community groups several times a week. They not only offer a place to socialise,
At night, the Roses Bar comes alive with music performances, quiz night, and a place to get creative. Sound good? Our growing youth theatre gives young people their chance in the spotlight.
And we do all of this as a registered charity to make sure that our community has a vibrant place to be entertained, to learn, grow and flourish. The Roses Theatre, a place to be together.